Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today is the second part of my video with the new and popular easy 3D toppers. So let's get started. So before we start, I just have a couple of announcements. This will be my last video for a few weeks because I'm going on vacation. I'm going to see my family in Germany, also meet with some of my suppliers over there in Europe. So I will be gone for a few weeks, and today is my last video. The next one will be towards the mid or end of September. So you're gonna get a little bit of a summer break here from me. That's my first announcement. If you want to put in an order, you need to do it this weekend. I am only able to fulfill your orders until August 16th. After that, if you order, I won't be able to ship it until mid-September. So please keep this in mind. You can still order this weekend, but please don't wait much longer. Now, my second announcement is that these beautiful dwarf in spring are back in shop. They were sold out so quickly and I couldn't get them back, and now they are back. I stocked them up, so if you like them, now is the time to get them, even though spring obviously is over. But I just wanted to let you know that they are back, and I do have a card that I had created with this cute little dwarf. I have already shared this card with you. I just wanted to bring it back so you see how they look on the cards. These are so gorgeous and they're quite big. Let's see. They are almost 4 inches tall and 1 1/4 inches wide. So you can see how nicely they fill up the card. Now this card here I have created with the watercolor crafting book. And yeah, I shared this beautiful crafting book with you in spring. I still have a couple left in my store if you're interested. This book is just full of die cuts, beautiful die cuts, pages full. It also has gorgeous cardstock in there and stickers. So this is a great craft book, and I have a few left. But yeah, that's these and this is what I made. I just used the cardstock, made a card blank with it, and then added some of the die cuts that come, and there are even borders in there, as you can see, and then this gorgeous dwarf. Up next are these super cute butterflies, and look how colorful they are. They have such cute faces, and they're just so pretty for summer. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, 10 to a pack, all in individual bags. And here is a card that I have created. Now, here's our card blank from Michaels. Excuse me. The panel inside, the writing panel, and then on the outside I used a background paper from our Stamperia Provence paper pack that I had introduced also a couple of weeks ago. Now I have, I think, just a couple left of those. These are really versatile because they have the papers and they have these cute tags in there that you can cut out. So if you like to see this paper pack, I'm gonna link the video below where I go through it. But because I saw these beautiful purple flowers here in the background of my cute butterfly and caterpillar, I thought it goes great with the lavender colors from this paper pack. Birthday wishes is from one of our paper packs. The Paper Boutique packs has all these different sentiments in there that you can use, of course, for your card making. And then the butterfly is from this cute butterfly pack that is now back in my shop as well, the little birdie one, and it's got these gorgeous glittery already layered butterflies, and size wise they fit so nicely on these cards. And then I made a second card with the same pack, and here is this absolutely happy butterfly. Look at them, the faces, they even have freckles. How absolutely gorgeous is that? And they're sitting on this leaf here. So yeah, I didn't do much to this card either. Same thing, very quick, card blank, one piece of background paper, a second one just to give it a little bit of a background, so also to meet the green from this beautiful topper. I added just a little bit of a ribbon here that I had left over, a couple bling pieces, and then a couple butterflies. But the topper, of course, makes the card so adorable. But there's more. Next, I have the ladybugs, and they are similar to the butterflies we just had. They have this comic look, but look how happy they are. So friendly, so adorable. Again, 10 to a pack. And here they are. And I did make a couple of cards with them. Here is my first card. I found a paper pack at Michael's that had actually a dark background, and I kind of like that dark background. I normally don't have dark papers, but this one worked well. Yeah, here we go. And there is this cute, well, this cute couple here of ladybugs under the mushroom. How super adorable is this? Birthday wishes again comes from a paper pack, the paper boutique, and then there is the butterfly. But if you're interested in dark papers, I do have one paper pack. I will link it below, and this is a craft consortium. I don't have it with me here right now to show you, but it is something with the bees, and it has all dark papers in there. Beautiful dark papers. So let me link it below, because normally I'm not going for this look, but I think it just looks nice, almost like it's an evening scene, right? So yeah, very cute. Love this card, how it turned out. I made a second card, and here is this cute ladybug on a leaf paddling. And yeah, what I have used here is one paper from this paper pack also this spring. It was called Watercolor Floral, and here is one of the papers that I have used for this card. Now this was another just gorgeous paper pack with these beautiful watercolor designs on it, both double-sided. So yeah, I crafted with this spring. Now remember, all these cards I'm sharing with you today and last week, I have crafted throughout spring and early summer, and just never had a chance to share them with you. And then this cute little banner here is also from the crafting book that I just mentioned earlier, the my favorite crafting book with the watercolor designs. But yeah, to add a little bit to the water here, I just added a piece of washi tape. Always forget my washi tape. I should keep it out often, because it's nice to have that. And that's all it is. Here it is. The card blank is from that paper pack. I just made that myself, and these are the two cards with the ladybug. So cute. And the last card I'm going to share with you today is I made with this retiring product. I cannot get this back in my store, I believe. It's called the Unicorn Sunny. They have been on the market for a couple of years, and they are now retiring. And I still have a couple left in my shop, but I wanted to share with you the card that I made for my grandniece. She will turn 7 this year in fall, and I made this cute birthday card. She likes definitely the unicorns. She also likes the rainbows, and I think this was just a great combination because it has this rainbow hair. The unicorn sits on this cute moon. It's got some stars, roses. This basically says herzlichen Glückwunsch. This is German for happy birthday. And I will take this card with me because I won't be there for her birthday, but I will leave the card and her gift, of course, there when I leave. So yeah, I also started off with a card blank that I actually created myself from pink cardstock. Put just a panel in here. Still have to write my message for her, but I think she will love this card from me because I know she likes the embellishment, since it's just what she adores these days: unicorns and rainbows. And that's the Unicorn Sunny. And here are today's cards. I hope you liked the cards that I shared with you today. Now remember, I do sell my cards in value packs, and these cards will also be available. Just of course not this one with the unicorn, because this will go to my grandniece. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment. And share this video with your crafty friends and family. I would really appreciate the support. Now, please remember, this will be my last video for a few weeks, but I will be back with you in September. And then, of course, we have fall and the upcoming holidays. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well, and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.